Indian festival can't be completed without any kind of sweets, especially kheer. Today I will show you some tricks to make rice kheer more tastier.
Hello foodies, I am Sukanya. Welcome to my channel Home Fun Palette. Today I will show you our most favorite dessert recipe, rice kheer. So let's jump to the recipe.
Here are those ingredients. Take a pan and pour 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then pour 1 tablespoon of sugar to be caramelized. Then add a bay leaf. For this trick, your kheer will get a nice color. Then pour the soaked rice. Add the cashews and raisins and stir all things together. Then pour the milk and let it boil. Now add some freshly crushed cardamom. You will have to let it boil until your rice becomes soft. When the rice becomes soft, then you can add the sugar as per your taste. Now here is a trick to make your kheer more tasty. Take 2 tablespoons of milk powder, make a paste and pour it to the pan. This trick will help you to enhance the taste of the rice kheer. Now pour half teaspoon of ghee to the kheer. This thing will help you to enhance the taste also. Let it boil for 2 minutes more. Serve it on a room temperature or chilled. Enjoy! If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.